Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's Mad Gardener, and this week I am out in Athens, Texas. It's my kids' spring break, and we decided to get a VRBO lake house out in this area. I'm here with my parents and my mother-in-law, my 3 kids, and my husband, so 8 of us total, and I gotta say we love it here. You can see I'm actually standing at the front of the house, and this is the view behind me. So this is the view when you walk right outside the house. They have a large lake out here, and then if you go just over the other side of the lake, it's all types of trails. And so we've been doing a bunch of hiking. I've been pulling a bunch of flowers and leaves, pressing them in that new DIY press I just made. We've been having lots of fabulous meals together. We even been doing campfires or other big fire pits. We've been doing big fires every evening, s'mores, margaritas, all the good stuff. And so we've really enjoyed the time. And so since I've been on vacation this week, what I did is I put together a video of lots of beautiful photos of my flowers. I expect that when I get back in a few days that a lot of my garden will be starting to wake up. So I'm super excited about that. So I pulled a bunch of flowers and started reviewing where all my plants are. If you're someone like me and you forget where your plants are in your garden, take photos, take video to remind yourself so you can refer back. So that's what I've been doing the last few days is I've been going through videos and photos and reminding myself like, oh yeah, that's right there. Yeah. So I've been doing a lot of that. And since I was been doing that, I just pulled all the photos together and put them in just a beautiful video for you guys with some soft music, just for a little inspiration. You can play it in your background and enjoy, but I'll be back with a new tutorial on Thursday. Look at that sun, y'all. So pretty. It's so gorgeous out here. Look at this, y'all. Yeah. Y'all keep going. Here's the house. It has been beautiful. The house is decorated in a hacienda style, which is very inspiring to me because I love Southwest decor. I'll throw up a couple of pictures, a little bit of video so you guys can see what the inside of the house is. And we've really enjoyed the family time. It's been very relaxing. It's been nice to get away from my regular work for a few days. And so anyway, you guys enjoy these photos and videos of my flowers, and I can't wait to show you guys what my garden looks like in a few days. joining me today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're an old friend returning, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when all my latest videos come out. Woo, got sunny. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be.